Welcome back, fellas, into this new video Tech Express. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about 4 ways to make money with cloud that nobody talks a little bit about nowadays. So, if you search for how to make money with the AI, you'll get thousands of videos telling you to write generic blogs. Let's say, for example, Upwork, which is really popular, start low quality faceless TikTok channels. But the real is that since everyone is using basic AI prompts for basic tasks, the value as standard content generation has dropped off to zero. So let's break down 4 highly lucrative under the radar business models you can launch here with Claude AI. So in another tutorial, we make an actual video into how we can actually get started with cloud. So today we're going to be talking a little bit more about how to earn money 4 ways with cloud. So the first monetization strategy is to build on cloud world-class vision capabilities in code generation, visual B2B micro SAS cloning. So there are thousands of niche, expensive, clunky software platforms used by local businesses, like the custom CRM dashboard for roofers or inventory tracking apps for local car lots. So you needed to find a clunky software to take screenshots of its core functional dashboard and drop them right into cloud. Let's say, for example, the Shopify. You copy this information, you make screenshots of all the core functional dashboard, and you drop them directly here into cloud. Because a cloud can interpret complex layouts instantly, you can command it to completely re-engineer the modern front end using clean frameworks like React or the Tile. I personally asked to generate an actual brand, so it gave me brand name options, my color palette, my typography system, my logo concepts, design rules for my actual brand, what to build next. And what I need to do now is to connect all of this with it could be Shopify, it could be Google, it could be somewhere else, it could be even Lovable, that application, but that's totally up to you. So basically you can package these modern lighting, fast interfaces and sell them directly to local agencies, or use them as a massive head start to build your own micro SAS platform. Think about it. It might be taking a little bit more of your time, but I truly believe it's going to be really great. Now the second way is to monopolizing the micro MCP server developer. So the way number 2 is a massive gold rush that almost nobody outside the developer community knows about, which is building and selling custom model context protocols. I'll be telling you that the model context protocol, which is the MCP, is like an open source standard for connecting applications to external systems, which actually does a really great work so far. Think of it, for example, like the Shopify. Shopify now works with Google, works with messaging, with Slack, with databases, with GitHub, with local file services. And how we can actually get started. Most traditional companies have no idea how to build these data bridges. But if you don't know how to do this, this is the reason we're going to be using Cloud Code, because you can quickly write a custom TypeScript or Python MCP servers tailored to connect cloud to specific or corporate databases. There's a full tutorial how we can actually get started with these ideas, but just like a quick version, just click into the element that says code, and this is the way of how you can actually get started, like making for AI integration consultant, so you can take that. And Cloud does 90% of the heavy lifting, I believe so. The third way that I can give you, which is a little bit more less complex, is automated PDF and document, like an intelligence mining. So the method number 3 exploits the Cloudy massive 200,000 token context windows, which is the ticket documenting intelligence mining. So the law firms, financial institutions, constructions, companies are drowning in a massive text file, so they have hundreds of pages of compliance regulations, historically legal cases, or old physical manuals that nobody has time to read. So you can drop these massive files entirely into Cloudy. Because of its massive tokens allowance, Cloudy can digest an entire book of legal brief of one pass, prompted to extract hidden liabilities, size massive financial stories, or map out hidden patterns that a human eye wouldn't find for weeks. And you can offer this as an elite B2B search services to local firms and corporate compliant offices. You aren't selling basic AI text, you are selling highly synthesized, incredibly high value corporate intelligence in a fraction of time. Take that in mind, because it's going to be really great. And the last way I can focus on is in the fractional AI operations. For example, there are thousands of successful creators, the agency owners, consultants making great money, but they are drowning into operational administrative tasks. They don't need a full-time employee. They need automated operation system. So go into these businesses as an optimization expert. You can find them into, I believe, LinkedIn. You program custom rules that instantly turn a client casual audio memos into formatted emails, social media posts, task lists to match the unique style, and you can charge a recurring monthly return to manage, refine, and scale these internal AI workflows. So you're giving busy businesses owners thousands of hours back every week, making you an indispensable part of the solo operator. And yeah, it would be really, really great to take that in mind. As you can see, basically Claude actually works really, really great. What I truly love about Claude is that you can generate your own projects, and inside the project you can give them specific instructions of what you can actually be working on, files, and here you have more elements that can be helping you to start with the actual project. If you want to learn more about Claude, please like this video and give us your own comments below so we can be talking a little bit more about the Claude. Thank you for watching. See you next time.